for me.
Hey vlog, so me and my mom are at Hobby Lobby and we're basically kind of like Christmas shopping for our tree. Look at Mister. Say hi to YouTube, mommy. So basically my mom is gonna do like a tree topper, and yeah, that's what we have going on over here. YouTube, so I made it to the beach. I'm about to go in here, probably take some pictures and go swimming, because honestly that's what I'm here for. But yeah, it's windy, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why it's so windy today, but the sun is out, so we better see how this water hitting. Hey YouTube, so the waves are waving, and honestly, like, they were getting tough, and I was like, listen motherfucker, you better not hit my son. Let me tell you why a strong ass wave came. Can y'all believe that?
Gotcha, bitch.
But I'm out of the water because I don't want to get sick, and it's windy and the water is freezing cold, but the sun is out, so I guess that's a good thing. But yes y'all, look at my babe getting baptized in the water. But so right now I'm just chilling. I really want to get a suntan because my stomach is white and my body is brown, so yeah, that's what I'm on right now.
The next day.
Hey babe, so today is a new day and it is currently it's the day before Thanksgiving, so it's the 24th. I don't want to stay straight. Right now I'm about to straighten my hair because I'm gonna do my hair today. I have this hairstyle in mind, which isn't, you know, it's not a crazy hairstyle or none of that, but I just want to do it today so that way it could come out, you know, way. So like I was saying, I'm gonna straighten my hair today. Reason being, because my hair is very thick and I need it to be thin as possible for this hairstyle to come out sleek. But yeah, and then I also have a video to film for you guys, so that's why I'm really about to do my hair as well. So I'm gonna bring y'all along. Okay y'all, so I am done, and I don't know if I should film this YouTube video today or if I should just leave it for tomorrow. I really don't know because I'm tired. But look, this is how I came out looking like. Very pretty, very, you know, sleek. So, but yeah, we're gonna see. I'll catch y'all soon though. Hey YouTube, so I ended up going up with this, like, literally just a ponytail and my hair down. I also ended up doing a lip liner and just some regular lip gloss, as well as my lash style Love. But let me show you my outfit. This is the fit. I'm still debating on what shoes to wear, but I just literally got on this cute little two-piece. That's the belly. But yeah, so this is the mac and cheese. Then we got the pernil my mom was seasoning yesterday. It look a little burnt, I don't know why, but. And then we have our rice.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a white man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you tonight.
Anything you want to say to YouTube? Oh my gosh. Anything you want to say to YouTube? Use a bitch ass nigga.
Nobody touch me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams.
Okay, I don't think nobody said that.
Melocotón.
Ajá.
Aguaje.
Ajá.
Sí.
Ah,
Tú, Romina.
guava.
Pomegranate.
Oh, yeah, go.
Pera.
Mhm.
Starfruit. Fresa.
Tamarindo.
Mhm.
How do you guys know these foods? I only know them because of work.
Okay.
Dale, me tengo un chirimoya.
No, no, tú te lo
Sí, ella lo dijo, pero
No,
ella
ella
de
dijo
Perú.
tú.
Plátano de selva.
Porque dijo banana.
Yo
Es
dije
que
de
banana
selva.
cae en tu
Yo
plata.
dije plátano de selva.
Dragon fruit.
¿Qué?
Dragon fruit.
Oh, dragon.
El no dijo dragon
Cherry.
Blueberry.
fruta de dragón.
Raspberry.
Ah.
Tomato?
Say blueberry.
Yeah, tomato is a fruit. It's a fruit. It's a fruit.
Cherry tomato.
Ganaría.
Ajá.
No, ya lo dije.
No.
Yo lo dije.
You're out.
Brown.
Blue.
Red.
Amarillo.
Green. Celeste.
I already said that. You're out.
Rojo.
They already said
I said that.
No.
I said red.
Red.
I said red.
Purple. Ah, ya.
Okay.
gold. Lime.
Silver.
Violet.
Brown.
Ya.
Yeah.
Zanahoria.
Lo que hiciste con el mangú. Que le echaste al final. No, al final que le.
Ah, la cebolla, pero.
Ahí está tu cebolla ya, a la mierda. Celery.
Celery. Ah.
I got a few.
Yeah.
Brussels sprouts.
Ah.
Corn, ya.
Oh. You have to be Mexican. Green beans.
Okay.
Asparagus.
Oh.
Green onion.
Ah.
Radish.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Cilantro.
Oh. That's a herb. That's a herb.
Why are you guys hating on my dog?
Lo de China.
Ah, yeah.
Marca carro. Mitsubishi.
Royal Royce.
Accurate.
Mercedes Benz.
Lux. ¿Cómo es Lex?
Lexus.
Volkswagen.
Okay. Mazda.
Ajá.
Ya te todavía aparecen los de
I got my
Maserati.
Ah, wow, fancy.
Tesla.
Hey Siri,
Suzuki.
what's a car brand?
Yeah.
¿Cuándo ya lo dijeron?
Okay.
No,
Oh,
no.
Come on, Camila, come on.
Okay,
Ah, no,
You out. You out. Hyundai.
Infinity.
Ya tú.
Cálida.
Ya tú. Ya dije. Ya dijo la Camila.
Subaru.
Ya.
Hey, there you go. Dodge.
No, creo que se llama Alfa Romeo el que tiene la.
Yeah, Alfa Romeo. No one said that.
Ya.
Kia.
Ya.
Yeah.
No, nobody said
Nobody
Kia.
has said it.
Nobody said Kia. Ah, okay, go. Ah, go.
No. Está chiri, está chiri.
BMW.
Somebody already said that? No?
No,
Okay,
no.
go.
Nobody said that so far.
Go.
Dodge.
Range Rover. Range Rover. No, they said Rolls Royce.
I said Range Rover.
You said Range Rover.
I think so. Yeah.
I'm out.
Can't say pepperoni.
Ya.
México.
Ya.
Venezuela.
Ajá.
Ya dijo, pues oye, escucha, presta atención. Santo Domingo, entonces.
Yeah, go.
Perú.
Argentina.
Ay, ¿qué?
Africa.
Con razón. Saudi Arabia.
Alemania. I was gonna say that. Poland.
Estados Unidos debe decir.
Canadá.
Para allá vas a ir así.
No, mami, you're right now.
Yeah, go.
Okay. Jamaica.
Wait, which sounds South Africa? South America? Uruguay.
They already said.
Momo said Uruguay.
China.
England.
Japón. Paraguay.
About that. They already said that. No, Camila lo dijo, but she was out, so it counts. It counts, it counts. Barbados, yeah.
Yeah, that's where Rihanna's from. Is that Japan? Somebody said that already.
North Korea.
Oh, yeah.
North Korea, yeah.
Someone said
Oh, Nicaragua.
Nicaragua, tu tía.
Oh, man.
Finland.
Uh-huh.
Ya terminamos, que ya todos han perdido.
Ya como 5.
Sí,
Sur de Corea.
La casa de geografía ustedes saben.
yeah, that's what people do.
South Korea! South Korea! South Korea! He's in South Korea, man. He can't say it! He can't say it!
Parte del cuerpo.
Hello, so I'm currently doing some shopping, but I'm doing some baby shopping. And let me show you what I found so far. I ended up finding this, and it's only $59, aka $60, which I think is a really good price, y'all, for this. It ain't bad. And then I got me some size 3 wipes because I already have a lot of size 1 and 2, so I really want to stock up on size 3. And then I got me some, I'm in diapers, and then these are wipes. But I'm looking for like I'm trying to look for some bottles. Hopefully we could get them. Let's shoot. Hey. Oh, so let me show you. Remember how yesterday we went Black Friday shopping? We ended up finding a crib. So we got a crib. Shout out to Dada. Remember when we went Hobby Lobby shopping? And all we got were these balls because we already have a lot. So we just decided to get this. And this might end up being for the staircase. Because we're trying to build something as well for the staircase. We ended up getting these. These are obviously for the trees. We also got this big one. And we also got this one. My mom is gonna make a floral arrangement for the top of the tree. And then a long time ago, we have this thing, I guess you could call it a tradition, where like after Christmas, y'all know how everything goes on sale. We ended up getting this train. So we already been having this train for about like 3 years now. Yes, 3 years now. And then our tree, we had our tree for 2 years. Yes. So I'm about to get to building. Me and my mom. And I'm about to show you our process.
You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and
So look, YouTube, we ended up, we bought this Merry Christmas thing. We're also gonna hang up on a tree. And then these angels. We have the Let It Snow, the Merry Christmas, and oh, 2 Let It Snow? Oh, 2 Let It Snow. And then look. This is so that way when we take Taz to walk. And then we got this tree, this one, and then this one. Over here is gonna be our village. We have houses, and I'm gonna see if I can find like fake snow, so that way I could put over here in the little village. But we're gonna continue everything else tomorrow. So it is the next day. Basically in today's part of the vlog, we're gonna go to Walmart to see if we could buy more ornaments, because we thought we had a lot from last year, but apparently we don't have that much. And for what my mom wants to do with the tree, we need a lot. But I wanted to step aside and show y'all what I ended up getting. So after Burlington, we ended up going to Target, and I don't have mittens, so I just got, 3 pair of mittens. We also got pacifiers. We got these pacifiers. We also got some new socks, which I low-key think they're gonna be big, but hey. But we got these socks. And then shout out to Bane, because he ended up finding the glass bottles that I wanted, which I low-key do recommend to buy them online instead of going to Target, because they cost less online. They cost about the same amount of price that this cost, which was like $34 something. But online, it comes with about 4 glasses of bottles, and this one only comes 3. So I do recommend for y'all to go on Amazon. Mind you, we only bought one of these because we're gonna have our baby shower, and I added a lot of them from our registry. So, and then our registry is from Amazon. So since I added 1 more pack of these with the 4s, and then I added 2 packs of the smaller bottles, which I think that's all I'm gonna use. I'm not, but let me show y'all how these look. So this is how they look. Literally glass, and then I'm pretty sure this is the same amount. This is the same thing as the other bottles. But yesterday as well, off camera, I ended up doing my registry, and I ended up adding everything else I needed. So I really just need the stroller and the car seat, which is what I added. I added, I think, a stabilizer. I added play mats, so that way when I put him on the floor, he could have his own little area. I also got a mattress for the crib, because we got a crib but we didn't get a mattress. So I just ended up getting a mattress for the crib. I ended up putting that in there. And then I ended up adding wipes and diapers. But as well as back to the mall, we ended up going to Steps, and I ended up getting my Christmas outfit. Clearly, as you could tell, I'm into more dresses, so I just got a long dress, and we already know everything we're gonna do for Christmas and things like that. And yeah, it was only $12, so I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting this for sure. And it was my size. I mean, I know it don't look like it's my size, but it's my size.
Hey, Titi me preguntó si tengo muchas novias. Muchas novias, hoy tengo a una, mañana a otra. Me las voy a llevar a todas pa' un VIP, ey. Saluden a Titi, vamos a tirar un selfie. 6 chis, ey, que sonrían las crías les metí.
So as you see, we are separating everything by color. We still have more over here to go, and then those. So while my mom does the ornaments, I'm gonna do what we usually put over here in our ark. This is what she's doing. I'm gonna decorate this area right here.
VIP, ey. Saluden a Titi, vamos a tirar un selfie. 6 chis, coño, ey. Titi me preguntó.
So this is how this looks like. And actually, this I actually made it, I think, like a couple of years ago, and obviously it's missing some balls, so when I have the chance, I am gonna add more. Looking nice so far. So this is the update. So I'm gonna start on my village over here. I'm gonna build this train first, and then I'm gonna add all the extra add-ons.
Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running name. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. And calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. You know.
YouTube. So we're in Walmart because, as you can see, I tried building the train. It clearly didn't work, but we still need some more balls in order to finish the trail. So that's what we're here for. And then we're also gonna get fake snow, and that's it. So that's what we're here for. So as you can see, we ended up getting more of these flowers so that way we could add over here in the middle row. We didn't find any more of these, so I'm about to add the fake snow over here. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, this is how the tree ended up turning out. So pretty, ain't it? We also got this right here that I made the other day. Well, actually a couple of years ago. We put some reindeers and some gift boxes, which we have to find batteries to turn those on. We also have some signs down there and a Christmas tree. And then over here, we have where we put baby Jesus, a little village. And yeah, this is it.
Save it from tears, I'll give it to someone special.